me? I'm going live. Now, I think I'm going live. Okay. This Pajero was making a noise from the front end. So I got this little rubber hammer. Hit everywhere. You see. Right. If I could go just change over. Yes. There you go. This is the hitting with the hammer. Right. And I tell you what, it was baffling. I had this. Nothing. This is just the rubber hammer damaging. Doesn't damage anything. And then this is the noise where it's just coming from. Anyone would think it's see the cross member down here. Sounds. So that was a problem. On the other side, no. Another thing you can do if you get a noise, you just come in, hit the muffler, quiet, get a noise, not much, because sometimes they make the noise. Quiet. Well, the noise is coming from the front. There's no need to go to the back. All right, there we go again. When you drive on a log, I think you can see the stone in there. Yeah, you know, like, I checked everything. I couldn't find the problem, and eventually it was the stone in here. Once you take all these stones out, it should be okay. Just remember the possibilities can be anything when you have a noise, rattling noise in the front. I never thought it would be the stone, but I went underneath, checked everything. Everything's brand new down there because I put everything brand new, and I just couldn't figure where the noise is coming from. How a stone got in there? Your answer's as good as mine. Anyway, let's take out the stone and see if the noise is going away. How do we stop?